Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo, baby. Who's such a cute little baby? Hey. Hey you. Oh, who's such a cute little adorable boy. Who's such a good boy. Yeah.
What's the matter, little muff? What's the matter?
Cats are awesome. Oh, you're doing a little stretch. Where'd the other one go? That's the dog.
Over here.
That's another dog. Oh, there it is. No, I didn't take any pictures of you. This is video, and you were not on it. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're not camera shy at all, huh? Right up in there. Oh, look at that good boy. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at those eyes.
Give him some love.
Those eyes.
Aww.
Those eyes are precious.
Cats.
What an awesome.
Cats.
You have awesome cats.
You gonna give me hugs? Where's my hug? There it is.
Oh my God, your cat gives you hugs.
All the time.
Oh, that was adorable. Oh my God.
Oh, baby, I know.
I would love a cat like that.
He gives me hugs all the time.
Aw.
He's very camera
What's his name again?
Jack.
Jack.
He's very camera
And what was the other one?
That was James, and there's little Jim.
That's right.
Oh, you love Mama?
Fuck, you got the most awesome cats.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, she's a good boy. You gave me hugs and everything. Okay, brothers. No eating the pot, okay?
Eat the pot.
No eating pot.
Hey.
That would be bad.
Oh, hey Jack. You find Jill yet? Come over here.
Shit yet.
Let me see those eyes. Oh, that's perfect.
He's a boy.
Oh, hey you.
James.
You want to put this up on your Facebook?
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on.
Oh, here's the other one.
There you are.
James.
He's the
It's
baby.
James. Oh, your baby.
So what are you doing? What do you got? Yeah, he's a bitch.
Oh, this is so adorable.
Has he got anything good?
Oh, he's playing with the string of the camera. Oh, look, here's the other one.
Oh, you don't get my food. No.
Oh,
No.
man. You guys got a lot of furry friends. It's
You
awesome.
guys are fucking greedy. No.
Hey. Hey, yo. Say hi. Turn the camera.
Suck it up, James.
Hey, yo. Hey, puppy.
Where's mine? Oh, so you guys scared off little Jim.
Oh.
You scared off our little retard inbred kitty. No, well, you're not getting any of this, so not.
That's cool. Oh, they all want the food?
Oh yeah.
This is what they want right there. Meat.
They have a problem.
What do you got over there?